We're gonna go to this to chill in Naneri Buddhist let's go guys. I'm gonna show you the Buddhist Chineri Park here, where they have lots of collections of bonsais. It's a very huge garden, but inside of that hall you can go in and there is a time limit just inside. Got the golden Buddhas. Many police are inside, so just trying to look around here outside the bonsai potted plants. You can see some are already big. Big bonsai plants. And this is a very big bougainvillea already. This structure is very nice, as you can see. It's no sunshine, but it's hot. I think heavy rain is coming over soon. Malapit sa salita ka ate.
Hello.
Maganda yung view.
Maganda yung view
ng mga bulaklak.
Oo nga.
Di ba?
Ganda kaya.
Ay, wow.
Pero, sorry.
Ay, sila.
Maraming tao eh. Hindi safe.
Sorry.
Ano yun? 1, 2, 3, go.
Wala naman.
Inaalis lang namin yung mas pag magte-take ng picture, hindi nakikita ng guardia. Kasi bawal pa yung hindi nakamas.
Walang mas.
Mahirap ibalibag doon sa labas. Doon o, meron. Yun, ibibideo ko ngayon. Yung gold house. Ayun.
Saan ba yung lakasan?
Pero hindi masyadong kuha. Yan, maglakad muna ako. Lakad-lakad din pag may init. Grabe. Kunin ko lang yun. Kuhanan ko lang ng ilang segundo yun. Yan. Yan, nakita niyo yun. Gusto kong pumunta doon pero sakado. Kita niyo mga tao doon. Picture. Ang dami. Yan. ganda ng view.